Why does my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system smell like chemicals? It usually means there is a leak, overheating parts, mold growth, or a dirty coil that needs attention right away. A chemical smell from your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can come from a few different places, and some are simple while others are serious. If it smells like nail polish remover or sweet chemicals, that can mean the refrigerant is leaking, and refrigerant should never be breathing into your home. If it smells like burning plastic or hot wires, a motor, capacitor, or wire may be overheating, and that can become a fire risk. If the smell is sharp and musty at the same time, dirt and moisture may be sitting on the evaporator coil or in the drain pan, which lets germs grow and make strange odors. One thing many people do not know is that some duct sealants, cleaners, or new insulation can smell chemical-like for a while, especially after a repair or installation. Another hidden clue is that the smell may get stronger when the system starts up because the first burst of air pushes the odor out of the ducts. The safest move is to turn the system off if the smell is strong, check for visible leaks or burned parts, and call a trained technician before using it again. If you catch it early, you can often fix a small problem before it turns into a bigger repair. A common mistake is ignoring the smell because the system still seems to cool or heat fine, but odors often show up before a bigger failure. A quick tip is to shut it down and see whether the smell changes after a few minutes, because that can help tell if it is from heat, moisture, or refrigerant. Another mistake is spraying air fresheners into the vents, because that only covers the odor and can make it harder to find the real problem. A better choice is to look for the source, like a wet drain pan, dirty filter, or scorch marks near the unit. People also forget that odors can come from the ducts themselves, not just the main unit, so a hidden leak or dead air pocket can keep the smell coming back. If the smell is sweet, sharp, or makes your eyes water, treat it as a warning sign and get help quickly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.